It is said that public cloud services are like water and electricity, which can be used on demand anytime, anywhere. But have you ever encountered such troubles, insufficient resources, resource contention, and various restrictions on cloud database services? It is time to start a new form of cloud database services. From the public mode to the dedicated mode, you can own your dedicated database cluster in the public cloud, which is ApsaraDB for MyBase. The ApsaraDB for MyBase not only has the high security, high reliability, and high performance of cloud database services, but also has the characteristics of user-created database, such as low cost and self-controllability. The ApsaraDB for MyBase currently supports MySQL and SQL Server. It is very easy to create and use with a total of 4 steps. First, create a dedicated cluster, select the database engine type, specify VPC, set the CPU overcommit ratio, resource scheduling mode, and then purchase the host, which supports multiple specifications, with different storage types such as local SSD and cloud disks. Deploy database instances on demand on the host, then start the journey of self-controllable operation and maintenance of the database instances. The ApsaraDB for MyBase provides more powerful features on the basis of the original cloud database services, such as exclusive cloud resources, overcommit of resources, resource scheduling, compact and balanced database instances. Allocation mode can be selected according to the actual business workload and scenarios. And the DBA can use the Bastion server to visit the host, manage the host, and database instances, which not only ensures data security, but also allows DBA to quickly log in to the host for maintenance operations. Welcome to get started to the world of ApsaraDB for MyBase.